Hello students, today I am going to revise you the basics in grammar. Noun. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. Here, things refers to anything that we can think of such a name of animal, object or our feeling and ideas also. Mainly, I am telling you about types of noun. First is common noun. Common noun refers to a person, thing or substance like boy, girl, city, village, any city, any country. It refers common noun. But it is proper noun which is opposite to common noun. Proper noun refers to a particular person, place like India, Delhi, Ramayan, Ganga, Mount Everest, etc. Now we are coming to the third point, collective noun. It stands name for a group of a person. Please, how type of group is there? Like army, class, jury, team, etc. Now fourth type of noun is abstract noun. It refers to a quality, idea, state or feeling. Our feeling is abstract noun like hunger, happiness, pride, sorrow, etc. Okay. Now next type of noun is material noun. It refers to name that any substance of which thing are made up of, like milk, water, sugar, gold, iron, etc. That means wood. We are making table. It is also made up of wood. So it is material noun. Okay. Now, I am going to tell you about some classification of noun. Classification of noun is of based on 2 points, that are countable and uncountable. Countable noun are those which we can count, like box, pen, apple. We can count that one. Okay. And uncountable noun are those that we cannot count, like sugar, milk, oil, honey. Okay. Now again, countable noun is described into 2 parts. First is singular and plural. Singular noun refers to the one person or thing, and we can say for that one a book, a pen, a teacher. But plural countable noun refers to more than that one person or thing, like books, pens, teachers. Clear? Now, I want to describe this plural noun more briefly. Now come to this plural countable noun. We usually add s to make a plural noun. You all know this very well, that if we write pencil and teacher is asking you that write the plural form of pencils, you just add s to it and say pencils. Right? Chair, chairs, cow, cows. Now next is very important point. We add es to the noun ending in double s, ch, s, sh or x. Let me elaborate this one with this example. Glass. Here the word is ending with double s. So we have to make it plural by adding es. Glasses. Batch. This ch. Okay. Batches. Box. This box. Boxes. Is it clear to you? Now next, on the third point, we add es to the noun ending in o. Like the most favorite, your fruit, mango. When we make it plural, we have to use es. Mango, mangoes. Hero, heroes. Volcano, volcanoes. Potato, potatoes. Okay. Now come to the next point. D. Noun end in Y with a consonant before it. Make plural by changing Y into IES. It's very simple. When the word is ending with Y and before Y, if it is consonant, then you have to cross this Y and you have to write in place of Y IES. Lady, ladies. Party, parties. Country, countries. Okay. Now come to the next point. But if the noun end in Y with a vowel before it. In first point what we say, consonant before a point. Now this is the opposite of that, vowel before it. So we simply add S to it, not IES. For example, boy. Here BOY. BOY means there is a vowel before the Y. So we say boys. Day, days. Toy, toys. Okay. Now next point. F. Noun end in F or FE. If the noun is end with F or FE, the plural is formed by changing F or FE into VES. Example, life. This word is end with FE. So we cut it FE and we have to use VES in place of FE. LIVES, lives. Wife, wives. Shelf, shelves. Okay. Now come to the next point. Some nouns are formed by changing the vowel in singular noun. Like foot, 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 it is vowel. Then again it's changed in FEET, feet. Tooth, teeth. Man, MAN, it's changed into plural as MEN. I think you all understood this thing very well. Now come to the self-assessment. I am giving you exercise and you have to complete this exercise properly. Look at this homework and do it by yourself. Make plural of the noun in the following points. First, can you lend me your book? Second, will you peel this potato? Third, my wish has been fulfilled. Fourth, the new batch is going to start today. Fifth, I have photo of famous cine star. Thank you.